Hello friends, today we'll talk about command query responsibility segregation pattern. In short, it is also called as CQRS pattern. Let's start with one use case. So you have a security information application where from the name to the address and driving license, everything you need to be registered into an application, and it has its own events like initially you give your first name and last name to the application, and later on you have to attach to your PAN, and later you have to attach a driving license to your application, and address, marriage certificate, and police verification need to be done. And these are the events which will be upcoming to one particular application, and this is for one particular person. Think like you have millions of application coming like this, and there will be read and writes for this application, and while writing, not even only writing, there will be update, there will be deletion, many things will be happening. So the application will be overloaded with the traffic, because if millions of people are using at a time, the application, if you scale this application also, still the read and write to the database will be more. So suppose there is a one page application page where a user, whoever registers here with only first name, wants to see whether my application means my name has come over, or I want to see how that look and feel of the application where my personal details are there. So if he logs in and he wants to see like welcome, his first name and last name, that details also need to be pushed from the database. That would be a minimum data like first name and last name. But if you see the writes here, there will be too much, right? So you will be keep continuously writing the information to the application, and like this one person, if he wants to see, there are many millions of people, they wish to read their details from the application. In that case, what I can say is there will be too much of traffic towards the application while writing and while reading also. In that case, that performance might go down, because you cannot able to hold the traffic. If you can hold the traffic also, like the read and write to the database will be too costly for you. And in that case, what you do, usually what they do is they provide the indexing and all, because based on the name, based on the number, they'll be adding the information into that one. So they keep adding the indexing for that one. Here is a problem, like if you add the index for this database, then when you're it will be easy for the read, definitely I can say, yeah, while reading the data from database, if it is indexed, it is very faster. But when it comes to the write time, like when you're writing, you need to re-index every time. Every write query need to be re-indexed, because it is all indexed here. So write process will be very slow and read process will be faster. So then what you do, you cannot go back, okay, I'll only do the write, I'll not do the indexing. So if you reduce the indexing, definitely write process will be faster, but read process will go down. In this kind of a situation, it is better to have a CQRS pattern, which is like we need to segregate writes and reads from the application. Here you can see, like whenever a write is happening into the database, the application is split into two, one for writing and one for the reading. So this way we segregate the reads and writes. And the same way, like suppose he has entered his first name, his PAN number and all, those information will be stored, and same wise the information event will be stored in the event sourcing part. So, and from this event sourcing part, any change happen to the application, it will be stored into their database, into the another database. Here you can index whatever you want. There is no restriction for that one. So in that case, like suppose he is his personal information like his PAN number, these details has been entered and we have stored the information which is very much required for the read. But there might be a one more information where the police verification happened for his address and all, which is not needed for this read because it will happen or we may not be concerned for that one. So in that case, no need of waiting for the other events, and whatever update happened, it should not reflect to this particular thing. So in this scenario, what I can say is like, so only this application which has a read capability, they can provide the logic like I'll read only the information which is related to the things which I want to show. Say like if somebody changed my name, so that event only I'll able to show this one here. If any other events like if his marital status has been changed somebody, I will not concerned about this one here. I just need the name for that one. In this particular pattern, we can able to achieve that one with a faster way, like when the traffic for the input will be more and output also is more. We need to segregate these two applications such a way that it should talk to each other based on the event which is needed for each other. Hope you understood what I want to say. That's it for the this CQRS. Please, if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for the further updates. Thank you.